Reliable.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, stuck a rope, stuck a gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Fuck that, I don't like sharing the
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I think it's just
Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Prove you're irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for 7 pages of vacant. Modern kingdom for the taking.
no, that's not fair. Like, it seems you need to do something about it. Like, wait, let me talk about it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you
Worldwide web or not? Anyways. Oh God, let's not continue with this music because I can go on and on with my piano. See, I know, you know, we know.
Oh my god.
Anyways, it's been great so far, and I can't even say thank you enough to those who tune in every freaking day.
Let me change it down.
Every freaking day, yo, turn up. I mean, we gotta turn up too, though. But at the same time, um, I'm trying to see how I can get. Yo, Prudent, what's good? How you doing? Can you hear us now?
Yeah, I can hear you. What's good?
Chap. Alright, cool. Special shout out to you, man. I think I remember the first time that we started streaming. I think Prudent was the only person that joined from Twitch, yeah?
Yeah.
You joined from Twitch, went to show some love on X, switched to YouTube. Yo, mad love. Thanks so much for joining us live on stream today. Anyways, we're going to be doing some interesting stuff with Prudent in a bit. Our devs are going to be cooking this. Sorry, our devs are going to be cooking. They're going to be cooking today live on stream, and I really can't wait to see what we're going to do today. Phoenix has something lovely for us. I mean, we totally forgot about the team logged in. And we focus more on just building products, talking about the branding, talking about.
Talking about that, I think out of all of them, the one that looked it.
Bruh, you locked in crazy, man. You locked in crazy. I might this is a link to X. W to those on X, W to those on Switch. Let's see if our fan on Switch is back online again because that person seems persistent.
Actually,
And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the energy. Yo, I told you.
when did you say this?
I told you. The person is on air on Twitch. We have one person that refused to say hi. So we can
When
know.
did you say it?
I sent it to yeah, that chat. Are you sure I'm live? Because my message are not delivering.
The guy is bad and it's actually working. Actually, you need camera and live is this camera.
Oh, yours is not online. Is
Yes.
it? Okay. Child, let's try something about that. Let's see what we can do about that. Mm, man, internet wahala these days.
How? Use my phone.
Comment where? Oh yeah, I see your comment here. W W W W's and W's. All right, chat.
Message is
Why did I get used to saying regarding like I mean everybody on stream? I just automatically log into chat because of speed.
I that's influence. That's
I mean, to be fair, yeah, most streamers talk to everybody in the chat that's live with them. You just regard them as chat. That's what I've because I've been streaming for. I mean, I'm not been streaming, but I've been watching people on stream for a while, and that seems to work easy. It's easier than saying shout out to everybody watching us live right now. What the fuck? Shout out to y'all on chat. Makes more sense. But yeah. Anyways, special shout out to you guys. Even those who'll be watching the recording afterwards. We appreciate you guys a lot. Appreciate you guys a lot. Someday taking me for a full year. I will love. Anyways, before the copyright on top, this is for us. So yeah, I'm still waiting for my should I say acting PM or brand strategist or brand director to come give us a bit of what they have for us because the highlight of today is going to be what Phoenix and Prudence will be working on. And not to take too much time, um, Phoenix, concerning what we're going to be reading today, what feature are we going to be reading live today? Plan is to build something live today, yeah?
yeah. Actually,
Are you going to be manually coding everything? Uh-uh. Why not?
I mean, I didn't. I mean,
But you don't like AI that much now.
I don't know. AI is beginning AI actually. So
AI is reading AI. Sharp, 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 sharp. Anyways, we're going to be building a feature or two live on stream.
not just the future actually. Some good
Oh, okay.
candidates and
Okay. I think you're going to be doing more of the talking, so this should probably be close to you. All right. Me, I can shout. There's no to shout. There was a time I was at the tech conference and then I met this backend dev. Chill guy. It was just chill. It was reserved and all of that. And then I was like, it was good. Because it was on Dread and then his Dread was looking nice. Like what I was trying to do with mine. I can't show you guys right now because something's going on right there. But yeah, we just started talking anyways and trying to just, now, connect, network, type shit. And this guy was like, sorry, are you sure you're a PM?
Why did you ask that question?
Because PM, you don't know, PMs don't used to carry dread. PM are usually forming
Actually,
they're usually wearing, I don't think, I can't remember if he said suit and ties. I'm like, bruh. He said PMs don't buy the way I buy. They're always very, very, very reserved. I said, maybe I'm not a PM in real life. But yeah,
No get competition.
I think we want to stay all this video on stream and then we jump right into it. Because it seems like the link I shared is not even shared in my own profile for folks to join in. Anyways.
Your internet has a actually, but I think I had to switch to mine.
Yeah. So we're going to be so today the goal is for us to build with you guys live on stream. Product is going to be joining us in a bit and then we're going to be so Phoenix, first off, what feature are we going to give people? Right, that's like spot up there right now.
Basically the application process and the job matching process for candidates.
Application and job matching process for candidates.
Application, okay.
is that not the full
application page?
Oh,
The application flow,
okay,
just the flow and page, and how it matches. Yeah, matching thing also.
You ready match check thing?
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. Okay, so are you going to start from because I'm thinking about it from someone that do not code perspective. I don't know if that's going to be too worried because I was thinking maybe we could do some sort of entity marking or
That's the joy.
what's the plan?
Funny enough, I already did that like way back.
So
It's just like
Mhm.
the actual part to actually be the AI matching flow, but in terms of entity relationship and that's already been used.
Okay. So how do we? I mean, what should I use to build and all of that? W's.
Our
W's.
is
Our acting PM is here. Our acting PM,
our fee.
brand strategist, marketing manager, sales skinny. Which other one? Anyways, W's show is the building. Let's go. Sorry about that. So go ahead. I was about to ask what tool you're going to be using. I think you're sharing your screen already. I hope that people will be able to see this thing you're sharing. They won't. They won't. You probably have to share from your laptop and then increase the size of the text.
If I share from my laptop, it's going to be worse.
Right.
My laptop.
And you can increase.
it's quite too big for me.
Okay. The problem now is that
I can increase it from here because this screen looks.
no. You can't show us two things at the same time. It's going to get very, very how do I explain this? I wish we had like is he on stream? No. I wish I had like Screen Studio that can help you move your cursor and everything as you go in. Yeah, that would be better. But since you don't have that, I think you should just show one part and then increase the size. It's going to be too big for you, but
Let's
something
use
that
the
will
terminal. Let's here. This works.
okay. So
Basically, I want to actually prompt the AI because I don't actually like have a design for the application page on the user interface here. So yeah, basically is want to read it and we're going to come up with that.
all the UI, just come up with the logic.
Just the UI actually for now.
The UI for now.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's actually my approach. Do the UI. He has context. There's a context menu already for it to reference for how the functionality will look. So you usually it creates UI first, then functionality comes in later. Because if you're telling it to do it both at once, it's going to run into a lot of errors. So UI first. That's my own approach. So
how do you now plug in backend later on? If you do UI first alone, how do you now plug in backend later on?
the UI is already there. Most all you just need to do is add is just like the queries and
Okay.
It's going to remove the dummy
Do
data.
that one separately again.
So the query is already down, but we have empty data. So we have empty DB and no jobs and then stuff. For it to have the how the real feel of how it's going to look when it's
Yeah.
done.
Okay. No Allah. So let's go. Let's dig in. Are you going to manually type everything like this?
The prompt.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I'm definitely typing my prompt. No, let
This is where the life of a lazy person comes.
Alpha. Oga, come back.
This is where the life of a lazy person comes in. You don't manually type everything these days. There's a tool called Whisperflow. They're not paying us for that, by the way. You should start paying us. When you start getting all that. Whisperflow helps you. It leaves locally on your PC. But let's not talk about that so much because I don't have it installed. You don't have it installed. ChatGPT. Fire ChatGPT up. Use the speech to text. As soon as you finish saying everything, you transcribe, copy to paste it. Boom.
Actually, that I prefer is that typing experience, and I just love that typing experience, and I get to actually like tell it what I want.
So what you say is not necessarily what you want.
That's it takes away that
That slow feel of you saying no, correct this, go ahead, correct this.
I agree.
Okay.
Whatever I agree.
Let's fire down there. Are you sure you don't want to bring that camera to just be the main thing for you to be saying? Because I don't want people to be saying I'm not seeing the script very well. Sharp. Alright, let's go.
Okay, yes, it's enough.
Mm-hmm.
If I use that third party you're talking about, I won't get access to the skills I want the AI to use. I cannot tell it to use the context because now I need to reference the files where the context are.
Oh, you record and then go to where you need to
So
insert
that's
that, and then
at
drag and
what
drop it.
at what end?
Oh, yeah, no, let's continue. Go ahead, continue. I cannot keep quiet on that side, you know.
Basically, I'm just telling it to actually like, okay, I have the skill set already. Basically, these are predefined skill sets I have like based off application we're building, predefined skill sets and things it's going to be using. So as you can see now, I tell you to use the front end design skill. It has just like predefined rules and things it has guidelines it has to follow.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just telling this particular skill set I need him to follow for this particular
It is how you
plan.
say it for me, but okay, I did with you.
Yo, that's why I said I actually see this as a craft. I'm talking to someone.
Yeah, I know this now.
Design skill, troubleshooting skill. To create the
So reference and design skill.
application.
Yeah, chat will correct it anyway.
Yes, definitely will do that. So, close this up. Yeah.
Okay, you want to reference yeah. I usually do that and drop actually. Oh, you're using different now. Alright.
Yeah. So
This typing. Chat, comment what tool you guys use to write code. To write code.
Ben,
Yeah. Alright, I'm with you.
when I'm talking to them.
Yeah.
Brett, okay.
W period. Let's go.
Yeah, what's good, guys?
Yep, welcome on stream.
Yeah.
We're trying to write code some core part of the product that we're trying to build live
Oh,
on
quiet
stream.
hire.
Yeah. We kind of changed the name away from QuietHire because we are keeping on carrying. So
So what are you guys going with?
Akaya.
Hmm.
Akaya. But yeah, we're going with Akaya. Oops, what I do? We're going with Akaya, and then maybe in the future, if we want to get something better or whatever, we can do that later on. But for now, For now, Phoenix, stop sharing your screen chat.
Who is in the background?
Hold on.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Who
that's
is in?
you. That's you.
Oh, nice to meet you, Chief.
Ah, you don't see I'm on stream before.
He just you never send me the Twitter link actually.
I sent it already. What you check it down. Your screen stop sharing though, Phoenix.
I did. Oh, I don't know. Yeah.
Chat, you guys comment what tool you guys use for
Someone said he
I use
uses augment code.
best tool ever.
Okay.
Best to ever.
What do you mean?
It's anti
What do
gravity
you mean
now.
best tool ever? Come off it, bro. Come off it.
It's about which tool is that the best tool ever?
Personally, I prefer Claude. Claude. That's the reason I subscribing for Claude.
Oh yeah, nah, anti-gravity. See? You see? I don't want to mention anti-gravity, make no realizing I'm an influencer. But yeah, anti-gravity. That's what I'm talking about, y'all.
I use
Guys, come
Corsa and anti gravity.
Okay, Cursor is also good, but now Cursor you need like enough memory to actually handle Cursor. To be honest.
I've already
You need
exceeded my usage for the month till next month.
Next month, and today is just what?
12.
Today is just 12.
12. Mm. No, what you get back?
And I'm on Corsa Pro. I'm on Corsa Pro.
Mohammed, God forbid for Cursor or anti-gravity. Which of them? I was expecting this man to say something else, but he shocked me.
Oh, wait. Oh, Copilot.
Copilot. Who uses Copilot?
No, don't. Okay, let me show you. Like,
Wait, don't
Wait,
trust
Ben.
anything.
no, I want to show you a
Don't
very
trust
good
anything.
use case for
Let's just
Cursor.
continue
No,
like doing
yeah.
in peace.
I already told it to. So I already prompted. So it's going to do whatever it's going to do. Then come up with a plan.
Alright.
So now it's just doing his thing and coming up with a plan. When it's done, he will let me know. Then, but pending that period, now let me show you the hidden feature of Copilot. Now, we're going to be handing over here. Selected mode unless 79%. Okay, good. Now let's choose which particular
Yo,
flow.
Abdul is in chat.
W's.
You said that three.
Tree, baby. Tree is actually good too, to be fair. Tree is actually very good too.
What do you mean three?
Tree is
now.
good, guy.
Okay, I've not used it before.
What make Trey unique? I can't remember. But I'm not going to lie. I was using Klein at the time I tested Trey out, and then Real Klein came out. Real Klein was not like, you know, back then when you have okay, yeah, we still have WhatsApp GB now. You have WhatsApp and then you have WhatsApp GB. It's just a mod. That was all Real Klein was. So it was. So I could not switch away from Real Klein completely. I just stopped to, and then any feature that which other tool was there? Black.
Now this man is looking lost.
He's very doesn't use AI tools now.
He's lost. I said he's lost.
Mohammed said he sent a co-driver. Co-driver. Yeah. But yeah, I think Tree is actually one of those very good at tools. And then yeah, the likes of I open my VS Code. Look at the code.
Man.
Look inside the code like that, but I open my VS Code.
Talking about building in public, Pull bed. Now
Awesome.
I am
Dragging like
yes. I am dragging you here. I know I give you a deadline. The deadline
Yo,
already
relax,
passed.
no. Relax.
No,
No.
there's nothing like relax. I'm not relaxing. I gave you a deadline. Deadline already passed. No problem. But young man, if by next week is not ready, I will snitch.
No,
I will
product
snitch.
is still under development now. But I already brought.
will
I've invited you to my beta, so you should see that I've made enough progress.
I go snitch. By the I'll just tell you.
I've made enough progress. No, we'll conclude very soon.
By the way, check the private chat. I sent.
come, we don't do private chat.
No, not private. I mean,
if you're not talking to us on stream,
I'm actually talking on
don't
stream.
don't hear about it.
What I meant.
But
Oh,
anyway, I
this
Just
think
go
is
check
looking
on.
good.
Oh,
You're
now.
using my fonts, Bricolage Grotex.
ah now you get the phone scared.
You just how can you take it out?
Now
How?
you get the phone
How?
scared.
No,
See,
like
I'm
I
doing
use
it's
it a
my
lot now. I use it a lot now.
Actually, that
So
font, that
I
font is
recognize
underrated.
the font. I recognize it immediately.
Avi, somebody's asking, what are you doing?
What are you building
That's a question
exactly?
for you.
That's a very, very good question. Now, I put it to you, my fellow
No, no, no.
esteemed-
No, you answer that question.
Anyways,
What
anyways,
are you
we're building quite. I think we can show you guys what we have so far already.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a work in progress. Beyond just.
Okay, I think I should do that. This is my screen. Since I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, if you just run us through what we currently have on QuietHire, and then from there you would most definitely know and get what it is
Okay,
exactly.
so
W's, special shout out to everybody joining us for the first time. We're not proud. We need to share our link out anyhow.
So, for what we're building here, we're building quite higher. It's a smart suite, just like you can see on my screen at the moment. It's a smart way for you to get opportunities, and basically we're using AI. We're using power of AI to match you with based off your preferences and a couple of things that runs in the background. So basically this is a proposed landing page pending review by the board of directors.
which is you guys.
Actually, I mean, which is you guys. So also this is like the job listing page where you get to view all the job. For now, these are just dummy data while we're still building or still testing and building at the moment. And also, yeah, I think we have a flow that's kind of ready at the moment, which is the sign up flow. So basically, this is how it looks. I got feedback earlier on from one of the stakeholders, which um our process like during the course of this meeting. Basically, on this page actually, that it's kind of distracting the user, but it kind of looks better on mobile. So I'm looking for work. This is a flow that's actually completed. So let me run you through this particular flow at the moment.
Does this come from? Does this
Yes.
like work back and all that?
Yes. So there's a very interesting part. Just ride with me.
Yeah?
Come, come. Lawal is not here today. You are the one doing this.
Continue. Right on. Right
Walk
on.
with me, please. Walk with me.
Right on.
Just walk with me, please.
So basically, in summary, it is a job board.
Yeah, that's a great job. I'm trying to sign up
Don't let your fish.
talent, so just give it a sec.
Let me send the link to the chat so you can use.
Yeah, so I just signed up. Yeah. Let me get my OTP. And by the way, this OTP process are basically our background processes are actually powered by Trigger Dev. This is not a paid ad actually. It's a tool or a framework or a library. How will I put it?
It could be a data because it's not like I already talking plenty about it. I just
Isn't that what is it called? Workflows, basically.
Yeah, for all background processes and everything. That's what I use.
Interesting.
It's having to build your own infrastructure and the rest. It's kind of so now this is one of the most interesting parts of this part I've built so far. You can choose to upload your resume and AI does the pre-filling for you but no,
interesting.
we're not going to this flow. Let's come back and see the power of AI like full. We're going to have a conversation with this. We're having a conversation
For your body flu.
Yeah.
Madu.
Though the UI does not look it at the moment, but
Where the carriers go like this.
I can't go. I don't know.
Yeah, continue with you. Yeah, chat W's.
The UI might not look it at the moment though, but don't take the UI to heart. I'm still thinking of better way to actually make this UI look better. So basically, my data from the sign up process, it gets it, and yeah, as you can see, it's asking me a question. Let's get right to it. What best describes me?
Ah, I look like a bed. What do you want to
Um,
say?
like I said, don't judge the UI. The UI still looks. I don't. I'm still thinking of a proper way of presenting this entire, especially this part. Give me a sec. Let me confirm. So, based on our prompt earlier, it's come up with a plan. So now let's see how the plan is going to look. Can you give more data?
This mouse scatter my head. You're shifting us like.
Okay, let me
as soon
just.
as shifting things between
No,
two
no.
different things.
We were working together earlier now. So
If I'm just joining this, I don't understand what you're saying.
so for the
Mohammed,
sake of those that just
For
joined
the
the
sake
stream,
of Mohammed.
for the sake of those, not just Mohammed, for the sake of those that just joined the stream, prior to now, we gave the prompt to actually build the UI for the talent applications page.
Yep.
So that's what it's currently doing. It's come up with a plan for what to do.
What tool are we using?
Hmm?
What tool are we using? Oh, okay, that was the best. Yeah, so it's using Cloud Code.
I'm using Cloud Code.
Okay, it's coming out. Go ahead.
What does someone's asking, what does your platform offer compared to other platforms like yours, Tinder?
That's a very good question.
Thank you. That's a question for both of you to answer.
Source. I heard about Source. I saw it
Source.
on YouTube, Tinder for jobs. You swipe right, you swipe left. This is actually a great experience, but I'm thinking that later. I'll answer that question very soon. Let me think about it very
So let's continue the process. So basically, I'm a software engineer basically. So it's using a local model, so it has to like take a bit of time.
We're using the common model.
Yeah, I've not moved
Man.
it. Yeah,
So your PC is like frying right now.
like boiling.
It's cooking. Yeah, it's fun. Okay? But I think we don't want to take too much time on this video.
Yeah,
People started.
Apologies for that.
How long will it take before it finish? Before, like,
The maximum is
Hello,
like
can you guys hear me?
5 seconds
yeah,
for you to
sure.
complete this particular process.
We can hear
Once
you
you
now.
complete this particular process, it's just 5 seconds. Let me restart the AI model, please.
I think maybe we should speed up the onboarding side of things and then move right to the core.
Okay.
So they're testing it out on their end as well. Will they be able to use that AI feature for onboarding?
Yes.
But it's
Now that I want to switch to this thing. This is local. Yeah, I want to switch to Gemini. Just give me a second. Let me generate an API key.
okay.
Gemini. Yeah, it's
All right. So quickly answer the question about what our platform offers compared to other platforms like
don't do
Tinder
that.
for jobs.
Don't do that to me.
I should not do that to you.
Yeah.
I'm not. Relax now. I'm trying to answer the question. So there's something we call relevance score, relevance scoring for job applications here. Think about you having to now from a recruiter's perspective, or from those who know what ATS checkers do, you have to apply for a job and they're looking for just one person. They post on like 500 platforms, you know, concerning me. And then they get maybe like 2 million responses. Okay, I think I'm going overboard with this mention. But anyways, let's just say one platform, for example, on LinkedIn, average response could be like to the job opportunity could be maybe like 50 to 100 people. That's like being very, very modest. Are you now trying to tell me that a recruiter will sit down for hours going through, shifting through resumes of people that might not even be relevant to the particular job they're trying to hire for? To cut the long story short, relevance check helps you filter out those who their resume does not even match what you're looking for in the first place. Now that is like first step. Whose resume is relevant? Recruiters mostly just open 1, 2, 3 seconds, fling away. 3 seconds, fling away. That's what they do. Or if I don't like this bunch looks very heavy, let me take away. Something like that. That's like how it goes, anyways. With a bit of extra, anyways. And this relevance check makes it very easy for you to cut down the list of those that are relevant to a particular job description or that particular job that you're trying to run them through. I'm studying intentionally.
Yeah, I'm actually back now.
Onboarding. We don't want to see onboarding again.
No, no, no. I want to like put it like just take it.
So the relevance scoring thing here, it makes it very easy for you to, before you even click submit, you instantly know. Oh yeah, before you even click on submit, you suddenly get response of how relevant your job, how relevant your resume is to that particular job you're trying to apply for. That way, you don't need to wait for rejection letter months after you've applied for the job, or you don't need to.
Can I just like come back to this?
Yeah, so that relevance check stuff is only one. It's going to be an open feature. 1 second. It's only an open feature that you can use without even signing up. Aside from you having like the whole job that you can apply for, you can bring in job descriptions and then relevance check stuff. I'm sorry, your resume, and then run it through a platform to see if you should even afford that to apply for the similar to ATS. Sorry about that. Anyways, so that relevance scoring is like one major feature on one side. They're making it easy for recruiters to create job descriptions through AI assisted, whatever. You can type in into interview fields, or you could, which is going to show us in a bit, or you could pretty much just talk to AI or drop description that you already have, and then we will help you post on multiple platforms, multiple job boards, social media platforms, job boards, and communities that actually help spread the word about, help you spread the word about your job. So those are like a few things that we're doing that is different from what every other normal platform like LinkedIn would do, are doing rather. So yeah, I think I've answered that question small. So back to you, Phoenix. I hope that you're done with your body.
I think I had to pause because you were talking about something. So I'm just like telling AI just a brief summary of me. Somebody like you, voice with a little bit of violence. I might add that voice prompt to it. But for now, it just you have to just type it out like manually. It's just like having a conversation with normal human, and it's use behind the scenes to just things like family language.
Right, I think it's way too long.
So basically, in your own thoughts.
My own thought. Me, I'm sleeping already. It's now. I'm sleeping already at this point. But yeah, I'm scared.
So
All the running skill. It's say if you hack your way into all front-end skills, just put everything.
you need to be very, very direct because that's one of the things I added to it there. On normal ground, if you did it up front, it's supposed to add like generate like it. But now it's telling you tailor it to what exactly you know how to do best instead of just generalizing it.
Or
Fast forward. Now let's just skip. With how many years of experience? I have 5 years of experience.
you basically just answer the question.
Yes, instead of using
Someone says signing button doesn't work from the landing page. Interesting.
We connected that. I don't think we connected that. It's just more of like landing page that gives you like a brief about what we're trying to do. Um,
Mm, mm, mm.
So don't expect too much on that link yet because like we said, and as you can see, this is a building process. You're literally building it and then sharing it with you guys. So for those who want to just see what's going on beyond just the explanation we're giving so far, you could see what's going on from that link that we put. And I'm very interested in knowing what tools you guys use in vibe coding. If you vibe code, what tool do you use?
Basically, we just ended the onboarding process. It took so long because I was intentionally taking too much. So
Can we can we ensure that it doesn't ask too much questions, max of 10 questions? If the user does not give you what that's too much, maybe 5 questions. If the user does not provide information that the AI needs to onboard, it can
just
propose, okay, would you prefer to continue with the onboarding
hold on a second.
later on?
Hold on, let me my notepad.
No, I'm gonna go that way.
All right.
Just to mark 5 questions during onboarding. Yeah. All right. So back to live coding. Um, that one must then say the person is supposed to be redirected to login page once that button is clicked. No.
Actually, you're actually redirected. Actually,
Yeah.
I'm using live URL currently.
Yeah.
Once you're redirected,
Oh, that's interesting.
this is live URL. What I was using previously was the
Let us know where you clicked from, like which section you clicked from. Maybe it was like a different button down or something. But
Let me
anyways,
go
let's
through.
continue.
Let me go through that actually.
Don't worry, skip that. I'll check for it.
Alright.
Let's go to what latest update from the AI collab. So let's focus on showing you guys how many minutes you have more. Can you almost an hour already? So let's just touch
That's
on
crazy.
let's just touch on really like you guys this decision making, how you guys experienced developers, how you get to say, okay, this is good, this is not good, use this, don't use this, correct that, things like that. The thought process behind how you
I
code.
think it's actually done with talent speed, application speed itself.
Okay, application speed is done.
Yet done with
Oh, yeah.
application speed. So that's I'm trying to. I think it's still keep on learning. So
You're going to give us a tip on how to use that skill stuff that you showed them, like how to install it and how to add it to your prompt, or which skill you choose for which skill you choose
and for
and
which
why
use
you
case
choose
actually,
it.
right?
Yeah, why you choose the skill, things like that. Because I think that's like one very interesting thing for me because I feel like skills is like another level when it comes to like coding. Helping you to instead of you having to
So
do
you know
like
you
coding
actually came
standards.
up with
Ah,
because
interesting.
how does this look like? At first go what
Hmm.
does this
This is one shot. Let's go to all. I'm guessing we can view each of them.
yeah you can.
I think one major problem right here is that the screen is wide, so it's making things elongated.
Okay, let me
Yeah, that's more like it. Set constraints 14, 14 or something.
yeah.
All right. But when you click on it, it shows like the job description or what.
So basically, from the flow I can see here, once you click on any of it, it takes you to the full job description. Then it also shows you your timeline.
There's something new.
Yeah, I think there's one thing that is missing. Your relevance to this job.
Wait, did he build this page all over again? Or did he modify?
Or modify the existing ones.
And then
This is like it modified it to tailor it to what we had before was for recruiters. So definitely think there are some things that the recruiter do that he does not need to see. So that's what he's doing. So I think one thing is missing actually, which is the what's it called? which. The relevance.
Yeah, really well. I'm smelling like it's inside. Yeah, we're back in a sec.
You're not serious. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that, Mohammed? Um,
Absolutely not. Now, once you have like front end skill, your agents.md and the rest with like context 7, you should be good to go.
Yeah, this place is hot. This place is ice. Okay, so what's going on? No need to run. Yeah, it's running. So blah blah blah. Oh, okay. Yeah, so basically telling it, if you like to, you don't come on something.
yeah. Based on the flow I can see here, that particular font is missing.
We're laughing because of what Mohammed said. Mohammed said, so no need to do. You are a vibe coder. That is with 30 years experience.
You know, like initially, that was the arcade route I usually go when I was my book. But actually, that does not make AI do anything better.
It
Actually,
does.
you just need skills.md, I think, or agents.md.
I think I would prefer prompting the AI to be a junior dev or something junior to what he's doing. So anywhere he needs clarification, he asks questions.
Yeah.
That assuming
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah,
makes sense.
that's much better now.
But
that's actually more
so far as you specify one rule, it will limit and then turn off like a lot of other extra things that and then focus on just a few things that you want it to that's relevant to what you're trying to do.
And also, I think one of the mistakes most vibe coders do make is actually like giving it too much tasks to do
Like
at one shot.
Yeah, one feature at a time.
Yes.
But there are some tools
How's
that actually
the-
help you manage things, to be fair.
Hmm?
There are some tools that help you manage it. Um, there's a task manager MCP, and then Claude Claude introduced their own task manager as well.
Now, this particular thing I feel now bring fights. I think with the MCP tools, not all MCP tools, like, I hardly use MCP tools except for like context where I don't have enough or I don't have understanding on it. So I had
I
that
use
when
only context 7.
thank you, me too.
Context 7 is coded. Yeah, you're right, Mohammed. You're right, Mohammed. That's like an OG approach of doing things.
It's not good old days from engineering. That man is not serious. That man
Because
was serious.
that's the way you can get by easy. So it makes sense to
Magical. So yeah. So now it's actually updating it that I don't have everyone score
okay.
to it.
Interesting.
Or it comes up with
Hmm.
in terms of UI.
Check the
We're already.
Which one?
He's not into coding. He's not into coding and stuff. So we are boring shell.
who's that? The guy in the background.
It's like the guy in the background.
Yes, no, he's not in the background. He doesn't know what's up now.
Am I the only one with this dark? All this dark thing just feels so out of me.
I mean, if you're a developer and you don't like that, well, I don't know what you're doing.
No.
Like,
No understand. Like the color thingy
yeah.
looking somehow to me.
I thought we all agreed that that was like the way for us. think just even if your design is not fine, you just do that code first. Let's start there. I think it starts to make sense.
So it's actually updating the page to actually have that. So let's see what's coming up. Okay. Yeah, now this is relevant. This is relevant for now. I mean,
Yeah, okay. Okay, other relevant spots with chat. Okay. Oh, and then the current step. Are you reviewing this and that?
no, actually, okay, let me actually give you how it goes. New application, interview, reviewing. After interview, that's when, like, basically the reviewer reviewing.
I hope that you know that as you're pointing on your screen here, you're not seeing it virtually. So you have to use your cursor.
So it's actually new application,
Yeah.
interview,
Yeah.
reviewing, they either hire or rejected.
Okay. So someone Avi sees your job
Yeah.
and then I click on the job, I put my resume, apply. It shows on your list that location says applied. Let's say we've done the whole relevance and filtering, ATS, and we've done those things. So it brings you up. I mean, you then open my resume.
This is actually, I love what he did actually.
What do you do?
He brought up like AI analysis match.
Okay. Well, that's true. So besides just
Relevant score.
yeah, instead of just a score, you see like why it's the match.
Yes.
Deep in this, deep in that.
Then it actually gives you suggestion of what to actually improve on.
Yeah. Okay.
Guys, you guys have built a whole lot from the last time I was on stream.
I mean,
That's
let's-
not a serious progress.
actually, I think I actually love it. I never added this analysis part. It was never in my PRD. Just or how would I put it? Not. It was not in my.
Chat, can you guys hear us clearly though?
Yeah, I can hear it clearly.
Okay. Alright, let's go. We'll see you please.
This part, this match analysis, it was never in my
PRD
yeah.
or your.
So I'm actually like now thinking of how this is going to play out.
It's just AI. After doing the
No,
whole
I'm-
relevance checking.
When I okay, my thing,
Yeah. So it's similar to Prudence. Remember what we did for BusyBot? BusyBot or BusyBot?
Busybug.
Yeah. What we
Yeah,
were using. Yeah, BusyBot. We were using AI to grade PRDs.
Yeah.
So based on like criteria that I've said, okay, these are the things to look out for when you're trying to determine the relevance of a particular job versus someone's resume. If they have the number of years required, give them this score. If they have the roles, if they have done something similar to things you mentioned, give them the score. Things like that. So from there, we could easily use those scores to now pick on. But AI would do the old thinking and reasoning behind the scenes. We don't need to worry about it's just giving scores to certain metrics that we're looking at that are relevant.
so I think this is why I need the input here. This actions part here
Yeah.
is actually I think can you update an application after you've made an application already? Let me know. Let me come back to live mode.
Wait, are you the recruiter here or are you?
This is the candidate actually. This is the candidate.
okay. Candidate is getting response. Updates now. We're not doing that here. Are we doing that?
So you cannot update your application. But can you do the application?
Wait. If the recruiter is reviewing already, you can't update your application. Cha, what do you guys think about that? Because I know a number of people that have submitted applications and be like, shit, I did not.
I wish I
I did not
updated
use my right email, something like that. So should we allow users to be able to?
So at what step actually like will that update application not be available?
when
Then also
the recruiter
can you
after
withdraw?
reviewing
Okay.
your own resume, don't we'll disable it for you instantly. You able to edit. That's what I'm thinking.
Can you also? Is it possible you withdraw application?
Withdraw application.
Yeah, from what we are doing.
So we're already beginning to add technical debt, small. Update application, withdraw application. We can
No.
add these things to like backlog or something.
Definitely. As this,
No.
it was not part. It was never part of.
Yeah, no. So you just copy the list of things that we're going to put coming soon on. You could put a coming soon tag on it.
I'm disabling the button and using a toolkit coming soon.
Okay. So we need to put a tag on the UI coming soon. Instead of just disabled. If you disable it,
You don't understand what I'm talking about. It's going to be disabled then, or maybe active. Then whenever you want to click on it, the toolkit comes up and show you okay, coming soon, features coming soon, or you actually want the tag actually to show coming soon.
Yeah, there should be like a small peel that says coming soon. That's what I'm thinking.
Okay. So from what is here so far, is there any addition, anything you feel like that should be added to this page or removed?
Plus, you disable it, yes. You disable it, but there's still that card.
Coming soon tag, okay.
Yeah, so it doesn't click anywhere or whatever.
From what you're saying here, especially this like application preview page, is there anything we need to add or remove?
Chat, what do you guys think? We need feedback from you guys.
Pyramid.
That's not boring to do that.
Yo, what's up?
What or is there anything that is missing?
Nah, it looks good to me, honestly. What does message? What does messaging a recruiter look like? I want to see.
I see
Okay,
here
actually, that part of messaging a recruiter. That's not going to be open to the talent until maybe after an interview.
Okay, yeah. After an interview, that makes sense actually.
So it's basically you running message between you and the interview recruiter, sending a message to you and the recruiter, just back and forth message.
Yeah, that makes sense actually. But if it is before,
It's going to be definitely going to be after an interview, not before.
Nah,
A lot of recruiters will actually hate that particular feature.
because what's that?
So basically, I'll put this after the interview stage. If you are actually called or accepted.
Yeah, that's alright, I guess. Much better.
Okay,
Okay, what about on the interview on the recruiters end? At
Yeah,
what
but-
point are they allowed to message the talent? Or basically once they
I
see an
still
application,
feel like the whole messaging thing, it should be like, okay. I still feel like the messaging should be like, sorry, I lost my train of thought, but I'll collect them back. The messaging should be something we'll do later on. It should not be like now. That's what I'm thinking.
okay.
Because we don't want to add too much features right now. You get.
Yeah, I get it.
Chat, what do you guys think? Should we have this feature right now or should we push for later?
For an MVP, I think we can just ignore it, and then maybe it can come in as a later improvement or something.
Okay. I'm waiting to see what people will say. Chat. Maybe the most important not to reply. But yeah. So what I think we're adding to our waitlist coming soon? Or our wait, did you add? I think you said you added change log or something. Was it to this or something
No,
else?
that was
Alright. Okay.
I think I should go to the recruiters end. That was where most of the that's where I think most of the features are.
Yeah. So what's the status on the feature we're trying to build? Because we are running out of time. We need to wrap up.
I think we already done with that. So now I'm just going to prompt it to actually add functionality.
Okay.
The query is already on ground. It's just for me to just plug and play.
So let's just make it functional. Then we push and then let everybody be able to see or test what we have so far.
Is that TRPC? When you
What is
say the
it?
queries are, I'm talking to Phoenix. When you say the queries are already on ground, is he referring to TRPC?
Yeah, TRPC is already on.
Yeah, cool.
You are the one that don't want to use TRPC. I don't know for the weirdest reason possibly. Just hate TRPC. Why?
I don't know. I'm sticking with them. Use action state for now.
Again,
Sticking with user action states.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bruh.
You should try it out. Actually, I like the DX.
Come to TRPC.
I'll consider it.
It is no matter. This is not something I'm considering, brother. This is not
I'll
something you should.
consider.
It's not something you should even say you're considering.
just do
I'll,
it.
con-
To
I'll
make
consider
it.
it now.
So I think I
Okay.
made an update. This is where This is where I'm going to be manually coding. Sorry, I made an update to this route, and I need to change and update the route file on the data one. So,
You know, you could just.
oh,
I'm not saying anything.
thank you. You want to take the craftsmanship away from it,
You want to die by force. You want to die. Why? Anyways, go ahead. Continue.
if not more, actually, just
Typing is fun now. Is it not fun?
It's
Okay,
very
I beg.
fun.
Okay, I beg. What do you need typing is for?
It's fun.
Not if you type like reply for an email or something. How do I put it?
Okay, I think it's done. Yeah. I actually updated the route. So before I left the recruiters on the main dashboard route. But now I actually like moved the recruiters one level ahead, which is slash recruiters slash whatever route you want to go. Then tell them they're just going to be on the base route.
What does that mean? Because you don't love plenty people in this training. Someone just want to watch you by code and pick on one or two things. But now I didn't understand. You move to base route, you move to one step ahead. What does that mean? I know, but at least for our audience.
Okay, but what I meant that I did was so we're having two level of users that's going to be using this particular part of the application. The recruiters and the talent. So we have two different levels of routes. Slash recruiters, that's the base URL and recruiters, which talents are not allowed to get to. Then also there's going to be the normal route, which is just for the talent. So I updated the route to the and I didn't update the parts on other components. That was what I was talking about.
Oh, that's good. So, is it functional now?
Yes, is
That's what I want to do. Is it functional now?
here's what I want to do.
Because when you play the see people actually.
I mean, trust the process.
So, two things that I've learned here. Okay, let's start with the first one. One is to use skill.sh. Don't do all this plenty. You're 30 years old.
Let me bring it to you again. See what I said. Okay, this is where I would praise Bessel because, and please, if you know anybody that works at Bessel, this is a plea.
This
I
is a
see-
paid ad.
I seriously want to either intern at Bessel or
You're a senior devil.
yeah, I know.
You have to bring yourself down low. At least just get the first.
Yes,
Type C. Okay.
I love whatever they are doing on Bessel. Like those guys are on a different
Level.
level. You see, Hayden, remember.
Are you going to tell us about how to use it or not?
We're waiting for coming here. So this
What's
one
up? What's up?
don't worry, we'll come back to that. So this one actually created by myself. It's actually a way for your AI agents or whatever agent you're using to actually like understand a particular part of the application or have like knowledge or more context. Again, it's created by myself.
You don't hear now.
So you just come, you set a particular skill you want, then you install it, and your AI agent is
How did you install it, man?
yeah. So on how to install it, that's
Can
what
my
I'm.
can my AI help me install it?
Yes, but you have to install the first one,
Which is what?
find skill.
We have showed how to install it.
So find once you for the find skill is actually the first skill or the one that has the most download. The
You know what?
installation.
You know what? Let me do it on my end here. Because you've installed it before. If you try it.
No, okay. There's actually two ways of installing it. You can install it globally on your PC, which I do, so I don't have to do it on every project.
Yeah.
Or you can choose to install it on a particular project.
Let me-
So I think for this particular project, I also did installation for mods for like project based because I'm having other AI agents which I don't normally use, like Cursor. I don't use Cursor because I don't want to sub. And basically, it's going to be an open source. Hmm?
What will be open source? What will
Ah.
be open source? Are you trying to say there's no money still are doing?
No, not this one. No.
Money has to be made, bro.
That's not. I'm not actually talking about this actually. So for the skill installation, this is how it's actually been done. Just go for you to be able, for your AI agent to be able to understand and maybe find skill. You install the first skill, which is the find skill. Just do a copy and paste, and follow the prompts thereafter.
And to install globally. Alright.
No, you. That's where you come to choose globally or
I think it is.
so it tells you which of the agents you.
I was about to say it's done enough to study globally, but I guess some people want to pass on all of that.
You can choose the particular type of agents you want to install. Personally, what I use is just Cloud Code, Gemini, blah blah, and then enter. So you have installation scope. Either choose project wise or globally. Personally, I use globally, but for this, we use project based. And there's no way installation method is actually system link or copies or agents. Basically, system link is actually best because you just have one source of truth. Then each of the agents actually have to reference that particular source of truth. Installation, then yes, then you're good to go. And boom. With this, the AI agent can help you to find other skill to
You need
use.
to know how to install
Yes, it's going to install it for you.
sharp. Okay. So back at it, let's wrap up so that Shion can. Shion, you will be for us. Come. What's it up?
It's your far.
Well, now, so let's start to the
I think
last
it's
the
done.
last thing is this API implementation for the future rebuild.
Yeah,
Classification stuff.
now. So come up with a plan. Okay. And I think one of the reasons I actually love Cloud Code, you have plan mode where the AI agent has to sit down and plan.
Yeah.
Basically going to tell you what is going to be doing, how he's going to be doing it. You can choose in that plan mode, you choose to
Why are you still looking dark, bro? I think it's
on that plan mode, you actually now choose to tell it what to if it comes to the plan, you can choose to change the plan at any point in time. So that's exactly what he's going to do right now. He's going to enter plan mode to come up with a plan to work with.
How do you avoid errors?
In the plan mode, that's where you specify what and what to do to actually check before it actually realizes and comes up with
So you read the plan first before you tell it to go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, for this particular For this particular what we're trying to do right now, yeah.
Yeah.
What are the things that you recommend? Prudent, that over there. What are
Yes.
the maybe package or approach to doing things and all of that that you recommend to use?
In what
Um,
context?
so, for example, maybe you're choosing wait, what are you thinking? Well, I'm thinking about a particular use case or a particular function I might want to use. There are some cases where maybe you need to use um, React query versus using
First things first. Don't like we're in 2026. Never fetch. Never make a API call with use effect. Please. That's annoying. We're in 2026. Please let's avoid that.
moment is asking if Cloud Code plans every time. It
No,
doesn't put that.
it does not plan every time. And you are the one that tells you to when to plan and when not to plan. If you see, if you can, my screen is still sharing here. I actually enabled the plan mode. I can switch between plan mode and normal mode. So for simple tasks, I don't need to enter plan mode.
Okay. So why is it taking so long for it to be done though?
First of all, using a table and it needs to come like how understand. Forget it has the context first. It needs to read, understand the backend implementation that we already have on ground.
Have you heard about Open Rack though?
Before I yeah, but I've not used it.
Something, yeah, something, I don't know. All these MIT people, always coming up with something there every time. I mean,
MIT is ruling the world at the moment.
considering how they're like different models are coming up with like larger context window, it's beginning to feel like prompt, like, not prompt catching. Prompt catching is it's beginning to feel like um, drag might not necessarily be all that important since you can always pack the context home and send to this guy.
That's
It's beginning
actually
to feel like
that's actually dumb to do.
hmm,
That's actually dumb to do. That's going to cost much
that will cost much. Yeah, that's a part of things that
because
I saw it today.
having it to have a larger context window does not actually
You
change
can
anything.
use it every time. You don't get a max it every time.
Even if you have that, in my own opinion, is not does I don't I will not advise that actually because sure that's my approach. One feature at a time. So one feature cannot have a lot of context, or it does not need to have much context to it.
Okay. So this your guy is taking too long, bro.
Yeah.
It's still stuck.
It's not stop. It's thinking. It's
I'm thinking it is too now.
so all the time I'm supposed to use to think. That's how my own base. I have a base plan on my system that actually like tells do critical thing. If it gets to a blocker, it's going to ask question.
Mm.
That's the default of how I actually like set my agent up on my PC.
Mm.
So that it has to it has to go through this process for plan mode. Whenever it's a plan mode, it takes its time to come up with a plan. If it hits any blocker, it's going to bring up questions.
But I'm sleeping already now.
That's it. This at this particular point in time, that's where I now go and do something else
Like
on the code base.
call woman.
Talking about woman. 3 days to Valentine, I don't have a name.
Hey baby. Wahala for all get big.
That means we don't call me.
Yo, yeah, we're going to be choosing. We're going to be. I think we already chose those who were active on stream and are going to be with us tomorrow. We're going to be having our game. It's not a game night, not games night. But yeah, games night.
One of the above.
Games night for right before you guys go and meet your ball and all of that shit. But yeah,
Yeah, it's almost
we're
done.
going to stream a bit of it tomorrow. Not necessarily like everything, but just
On our final day, how do we launch?
I'm beginning to.
So now it's done. It's done with the critical part of the.
Alpha, check the force.
I,
You said something.
Yeah,
that
he said it was going to
shared.
do us for us today.
I did some design.
I did some design.
That's what I was supposed to do.
Actually, so he's done with the major technical part now. He's actually just doing now.
Your screen is stuck.
Like really not stop. Searching for patterns.
So tomorrow, yeah.
Let me check how that she stores.
I thought you shared the designs, bro.
If you can send me link, I can check them, yeah.
No regulation plan. Now I have everything I need. Let me also quickly check if there's anything else. So you see, this is why I don't want AI to actually go and do things by itself. That relevance trends and relevance gap that he did, he wants to create that DB schema for it.
But you already have one.
No, no, that particular part, that I did not plan for it.
Your screen is stuck, though. I'm going to remove and then reshare.
Look at this.
Hmm?
What's that?
This particular part what I'm talking about.
Why is it blue everywhere?
I did,
Something accident happened.
and then particular
MTN will be
Yeah.
different things.
like I said, it's open for review from stakeholders. You guys are stakeholder. What are you? I asked you to check it.
Okay.
I asked-
something.
I asked you to check it. So I really what I'm talking about. This particular part. This is the part I'm talking about. This particular AI analysis part. I never had parts. I never had plans for this.
Is this my network problem or is this your network problem?
No, it's actually on. It's actually on it now.
No. You're currently selected or it's not selected. Selecting now. Alright, but anyways.
So this particular match analysis, I never had a plan for it. Like I have planned for the relevance, which is already there.
Scoring, yeah.
But this insight,
Yeah.
I never had plan for it. So that's part of what I don't want it to do. But now it's going to actually now it has called the plan agent. That plan agent is now doing adding it to its function. And by the way,
Moment, yeah.
I don't like my coding. He forced me to my code. I'm just putting this out here. Yeah, showing you saying something.
No, this time.
Now, come and see your mind.
Mohammed said that in
I want the
planning,
unfiltered.
ChatGPT is the best.
Nah,
ChatGPT
It depends on the-
planning.
it depends on the type of part of the plan you're going for. By the way, not just any plan. I don't use ChatGPT to plan my code.
I mostly use chat to.
So what are you saying?
I mostly use chat to.
No, what are you saying?
Before now that later.
Yeah, we can definitely improve this. But for now, the major focus is not on the landing page. What we can do is to pull up like cut sections of mood board and attach it to make like a full page. Then if I put that live later on.
Wait, section on the app.
So you have like your mood board, inspiration from here, there, you select your different places. And instead of you to now put what you stole completely, you're only cutting where you need or what you need. And then positioning it as if you're using it.
If not
Wow.
that the time frame we had was like a bit small. That landing page, I had like one part I want to do a full illustration of how AI matching process was going to be. It's like this particular part here, where it just does this so much. It's going to be like You've seen my portfolio.
Yeah.
That illustration part, I want to do something like that, but now because that time frame, that took me almost 2 weeks to come up with.
Okay, we're getting to the end of the stream. We've gone past
Good. Now
20
my
30
plan is
minutes.
ready. Now let's read. Internet, blah blah blah. So create application of CS. Okay, going to modify it, go to add match job tracing. Okay. Then server actions, sharp, use application. That's that one. Replace mock API here with nice. Replace here. Update proxy, add application to okay, nice. Add match and instance to one. So yeah. Okay, so this is it now. This is where you now update the plan. It does not need to do DB push. DB push that's a very, very bad way of actually like doing this. But now we're running two DBs. One is for the local, one is for live. Now this particular DB pushing directly to the DB does not make sense. So you have to generate migration to update that. So that's one. Generate migration, okay. In our first things, copy direct to your
So we're going to wrap up in like 5 minutes ish. Because I think we've done quite a lot. The plan was to just do 30 minutes report of what we've done so far and then just highlight some things. So any questions on chat? No? Nice.
Good. So we're going to update the plan first. While it's still this, while it's trying to update that plan, let me see if I missed any other parts. Hmm? 72,000, 71K came just to come up with the plan.
That's a lot.
42 tools just to come up with one plan. Okay. So let's see.
Error in.
Yeah. And this actually goes out to not just this AI. Whenever you're working with databases, avoid pushing directly to your DB. Currently, I'm running 2 clusters of DBs. One I'm using to work locally, and one that is going to be running for production application. If I push to the local DB,
Database.
the main one on the production, once I push, it's going to definitely break that. But why having those separate now? The two separate. Once I have, if I with migrations, I can actually like easily run migration on one and live without needing to do any other thing. Move out. Yeah. Okay. Now clear context. Can succeed without errors. So verification aspect, navigate to application. Okay. Navigate to log out with sharp. Now it's time to cook.
So to cook now take like maybe like roughly 2 hours.
Now, because when I'm going to cook,
Eyes are
but
very
to
heavy.
COVID, if I'm the one doing that, actually,
You spend more than 2 hours.
I'll spend a day.
Now. So that's the
If I don't spend it, I'll spend at least.
So it's fair that it's even spending more than it's even taking more than not necessarily like it's fair or whatever, but the fact that you get things done in a very short period of time.
Yeah.
That's like cool because you have to go and make more money. You can't sit on it. You have to go make more money.
And this goes out to those that are saying AI will take your job. AI is not taking your job. You just need to be smart about it. AI ain't taking your job. You just need to be smart about it.
Only your job like mad. You play. Don't don't use AI. You say, I cannot let AI take my job. Don't go and start using it and start applying it in almost everything you do so that you can work faster while others are waiting on the last job. You already done like 2 3 jobs because you're letting AI allow you to work fast, which is time is what? Is money. And that time is what AI is cutting off of your neck. And that's delay. So you should absolutely be 100% okay with using AI to work at this point in time. And if you're not convinced, look up Clubhouse. I tell you. Anyways, it's going to take quite some time for this to be done. What's your screen again? Let me see. Is he asking you questions or what?
No, it's actually drafting now. You know, from the plan, it has like different steps. So this is
Oh,
first
okay.
step.
It's still
You just mark it that
Alright.
you've done.
Okay, I wanted to be
Skimming.
sure that it's not stuck somewhere. But anyways,
It's actually
take quite
following
some time.
step.
So we need to continue recording this offline. Because we need to continue already. Or should we wait and do 1 hour 30 minutes?
It's not going to be done. We have 1 hour 30 minutes. That's for me. We just
Yeah, 4 minutes from now.
will be done.
Alright.
It should be done before then. Trust me. Now this is where I will have to come in. Just put waiting will be done.
What?
You just put waiting will be done at this point. Details of application. Okay. Actions. Let me see something. Okay, it's server side nice. I know that I sure know I saw something that will actually fail. I knew it.
Someone needs to come up with that tool that as you're looking at your screen, you know, sorry.
I knew
Oh,
that was
okay.
definitely going to fail.
Oh, credits here.
I knew it. I just knew that. I just knew that this was going to come. Because I already
Yeah.
saw it from what he was doing, and I knew that yes, something.
What's up, guys?
Welcome, welcome back.
Yep.
See, can you hear me finish?
Yeah, what's
My
up?
MacBook charger just died. Like
You need
my MacBook died. So I don't know what happened. It's no longer charging.
Come, come. This is your time to come back to native window. Win what?
Come back.
to here.
I be
If you
Linux. Which one?
come to Linux, probably better. What?
It's still the PC is going to use now.
Using the Mac.
It's the charger that is
You should
bad.
ditch. You should
I have
ditch the
to
Mac.
now.
Okay.
I have to now. I have the ThinkPad and I have the
Um.
Mac.
Wait. Come and plug me to your company.
Unplug your plug so that you can plug it.
Yeah, and now he's doing things I don't like, which is this date formatting.
My
I
company.
prefer
I
it.
don't have
Start
money.
formatting it now.
I actually prefer it format to date FM than actually having to do this thing that he's doing here. I don't like this particular part. See this part I hate this part. This part I don't like this part. Date FM actually does a better job. Now memo. Let's see first. Loading skeleton. So I think I need to actually update this thing to actually like use logs. I cannot prevent the way Nox actually handles their state management than have actually having to use state. Am I the only one or just it's a shared feeling? Prudent.
Yo, what's up?
I said, am I the only one that actually like love the way Nox actually handles their state management to actually having to use state? Am I the only one or it's a shared feeling?
I hate
Well,
use
actually,
state and use effects. I hate use state and use effects. So yes, I agree with you.
bruh, what are you doing? Okay, filter. Ah, I don't think I like what this guy is doing here.
Wait, are you sharing your screen? I can't see your screen. Now.
I'm actually sharing my screen. You can't see my screen. Okay, now this part is what I don't like also. How will you block the whole application just to show you loading state? This does not make sense. And that definitely is going to change that. Definitely this also. You can't just block the whole application just to show you loading state. Job marks. We got everything. So let me finish that. Okay. So yeah, we fix that. Good. Macro, macro, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, macro. So that's it. If I can make that, can't get anything macro. Okay. So yeah, I think that works. So let's see. The fact is isn't reasonable. This shit is actually annoying. Let me install.
W's. I never saw W's too much today.
Not review, under review, interviewing, rejected, hired. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now, in terms of loading states, how do you like view loading states? Should it block your application just to view when it's loading, or you should actually like stream the responses? Which one is preferable?
Loading state for like chat, yeah.
Not just
Chat.
chats. When not just chats, maybe you're trying to fetch data from the backend. Then that's
I think
okay.
streaming now. I think streaming looks more. It makes things look a bit more realistic. Um, that illusion of we're playing in real time.
And bro, is that
I always put it again. Up again.
his network is bad? I think
Wahala.
it's done.
It's been great by putting with you guys.
Now time to check what he did.
Just to see the result of what we have so far.
It's basically an empty state actually. It's going to be empty state, so I'm not mistaken. It's going to be empty state because we don't have data.
We don't say that yet. We need to see database then now.
Have you finished your scripting?
I still don't have two things. I don't know what's going on.
These are the issues. So let's go to dashboard. These are the issues.
I don't know why it's taking so long for them to refresh my thinking. See, all of them have
Gemini.
Gemini, Claude, everything.
Taking a bit of time. Okay. Back. Don't show me 500 error, please. So this is okay.
You know better for you to know what the error is precisely.
Okay. I think I love this loading state actually. Let me say it came up. I think I love it. Check it. I'm actually
telling you to know that.
yeah, it's skeleton, but my own I don't want. I'd rather it actually shows the card then instead of blocking the whole card and just showing those blurry lines. What do you think?
Yeah, we can do that. That works.
At this point, I know from you guys.
So yeah, I think we're done with this page. So I have to actually like seek data to actually view this particular innovation. So yeah,
So we can't see it for now. Then how do we now test what we have so far? That your button is awkward by the way. It's somehow.
which one?
That's for switching scenes. Can we just make it be like part of the feature?
No, this is actually only for dev mode actually, not so this that's
What happens to using what happened to making it part of the app and then users you be able to toggle from where users are coming from?
It's two things. First thing, it's going to be on the settings page on once you're logged in. Then on the landing page, it's going to be on the footer.
Landing page.
Yeah, from the landing page, it's going to be on the footer, just
I
like
think you
how
should be able to access it easily from here.
from the dashboard.
Yeah, from the dashboard.
You're saying I should find somewhere here.
Look for your screen then. Yeah. Same thing we did for um
You know what I mean?
yeah, same thing we did for the long term. We just do that. Yeah.
Okay. But it's going to be on the side actually, then. Probably somewhere around
Sidebar.
here.
Sidebar. Alright, so we need to wrap up because
Yeah, I'm
over
done.
an hour 30. I need to go and talk to Oman.
Don't you know? See, these are the issues.
Valentine is very, very close already. What do
Phoenix,
you
Yeah, also.
I still share your screen.
Yeah, I am.
I can't see it in backstage. Sha. Let me check.
Yeah,
Why?
you can see from backstage. You can see from backstage.
Why? Why? I was seeing it before.
I think you probably need to refresh something because I can see it passing on the on stage. Uh,
Feet, talent.
so what are you trying to get it to do now?
Stop sharing, then share again.
That's
Phoenix,
okay.
Phoenix, can you hear me?
Yeah,
It's loading now.
I think that.
Yeah, I
I
can see
don't know
now.
fix this from what he did. He did something that are not right actually. So I'll just do that fix it myself. Example, which is this part here. Where is it? Where is the page? Okay, yeah, you see this particular part here where it's actually I think I don't know why all LLMs actually like they're actually like outdated, like all their content, the model they use to train them, or the data they use to train them, are actually like a bit outdated. I think they should find a way to actually like any new package that comes, it's relents on its own. That would be better
Yeah,
because
that's why you use context 7 and all these guys.
this particular thing here was a fix like 3 months ago.
3 months ago, bro. They can't keep updating for every tool or every resource. Like that.
Next.js already comes with page pro now.
Go and use your context 7 to get the latest context out. So I think
I will
think
get
that was taking a
few
lot
points
time.
of mine.
Yeah, I wanted us to be able to test, like, see what we just built with the AI and all of that. Because it have been, I mean, we've seen the UI, we've gone through it and all of that, but to really put something and all of that, in that way, a lot of people tend to get stuck, to be fair. So,
Why?
um,
Okay. Yeah, Raymond, I don't
Yeah, what's up?
understand. I don't understand why all these LLM don't use memo all of a sudden. What are you memorizing in an ID page? Something that is going
Uh,
to run like every
I,
you actually like come to that that to if that's to refresh that particular data you are trying to get. You are not
it
memorizing
might
it.
have to do with Vercel's React best practices if you have the skill installed.
Yeah, I have it into already.
Yeah, that might what could influence the LLM in that direction.
Because I don't understand how it works. It's an ID page, you're not memorizing data again. What data are you actually trying to memorize at that point?
Yeah,
And you're
so
using it, you're using use query, which basically anytime it comes to that route, except the ID does not change. So if the ID changes, jeez, bro. If the ID changes, it's definitely going to fit the data. They don't need to memorize anything.
yeah, I
anyways,
understand
anyways,
what
anyways.
where you're coming from.
All right. Anyways, I think that we have tried a bit for today on stream. What we built so far, we're going to be reviewing it tomorrow. The functionality, how it actually works, and all of that. And then we're going to push a bit of changes
Wait,
to it.
stream is ending soon.
Yeah, we've been here for over, we're supposed to be like 30 to 45 minutes. and
Wait, but then I
waiting for yeah, we're waiting for quite some time. So
Phoenix,
Yeah, when I come to Lagos.
will you test Big Crypt on stream or maybe some other time?
yeah, we'll just
Ah,
what?
TV.
What's that?
Let's do that tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, no, no problem. No, tomorrow I'll be very busy.
Yeah, I'll definitely do that because see the reason I'm doing that is to push you because
Oh, yeah,
you
no.
need to do that out.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to demo something or something?
Yeah, you have like I think this is actually going to be fun. So as devs here, instead of the traditional way of actually sharing EMVs, e-reval,
Oh yeah.
so now we
We need
actually
that
did
solution
yes,
ASAP.
we did that solution. You can just push your EMV file from your local to cloud, then invite your team into the organization.
Yeah.
Then instead of they can just get it in that particular project.
But it's going to be encrypted for sure.
Yes.
Yes,
Oh yeah, now
I have
demo.
through end-to-end encryption.
Oh yeah, now
Which
demo for
is
us now because tomorrow is going to be like 10, 20 minutes. And then we switch right into the whole games.
Prudent.
awesome.
Where the prudent is yours.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Say God.
See, that's English. I am telling you this
You
now,
guys can
prudent.
see my screen here.
You have just
In a bit. In a bit. Yeah, we can see it now.
prudent. You have till next week to actually push this thing like feel like. If not, I will snitch.
So
I'm
this
threatening
is
that.
Big Crypt. I'm going to be sharing how you can get into like my beta on stream. You need to set a key.
I think there's a better way of doing that actually. Just wait that. Just wait the router, you just git and that's automatically push it. Break down bit.
Yeah, I wanted to do that, but I don't want to. So this is Big Crypt. Stop sending ENV files over Teams, over email, over Slack, whatever. So you can use this platform to share your environment variables. I'm trying to authenticate. This is in my major dev workshop. Rest in peace. Um, major password. I don't want to use this account.
Why did you not start using the first place?
Let me log into my. Sorry, why am I using what?
You say you don't want to use the account. When are you click on the first place now?
You just look what you make to do.
No, it's not. It's not my account. It's a friend's account. What is my GitHub password?
Tell it to me.
You can keep on for B trips,
You say
yeah?
what?
Send me your GitHub password. Let me keep it.
I don't know the password, safe. I'm going to be guessing it.
I don't understand. Okay, thank you very much, guys. That's the end of the stream. You have to be guessing which password.
Wait, oh yeah, wait. I know the password. I know the password. I know the password.
Wait, which email? Just your email. You madman.
It's my email now. I'm writing the actual
Madman.
password like this. It's continuing Google.
I think
Uh-huh.
that's me. I have
Come on,
paper.
these people want to me.
I have a lot of passwords actually.
So you have to run through each and every one of them each time.
No, each
Two-factor
and every-
authentication.
the one I use most.
Approved.
You don't
Platform
want
I
you don't want
use-
to give this information online, by the way.
The platform I use the most.
You don't want to give this information online.
You know, what I'm not saying, what why I have this
Okay.
password. That's what I use the most.
Okay.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. Signing in.
So this is Bcrypt. Fun fact is, I wouldn't even be able to use this app because I have to approve this devices session from my other laptop.
How is that a fun fact?
It's actually a fun one.
How is
It's a
that
fun fact
a
now. That's like proper end-to-end encryption now. Sure, you get what I mean? Because now let me show
You
you
need to
something
apply
now.
the device.
This is
Device
a new
verification.
box here. This new box here, you can see this
There's way
device
too much
to generate
exposure
its
on
own
your phone.
encryption key. There's way too much word, sorry.
Your
I was
camera.
about to say I can't be telling I can't be asking you if you're an angel because everything is white. Because it doesn't make sense for me to ask him, man, are you an angel? You're looking
It's
bright.
wait,
What are you doing?
sorry, I have this crazy light here and okay.
Yeah, much better now.
So
Way better.
the process of end-to-end encryption I was talking about is that, as you can see, this is a fresh device. So this device, there are keys actually that are available, right? There are environment variables that are available, but I can't gain access to it until I get authorized.
This
So
is
I'm
the
going to approve that right now, and I've approved it. Let me drop the other PC. So only a PC that has been previously authorized will be able to approve. And now if I refresh,
How? What if
what
what if
is the
I
problem?
now port on my laptop mistakenly?
What if it
Wow.
was?
What if something
There's
goes
a
wrong with that laptop?
there's a way for you to recover encryption.
Okay,
That's also in the works.
Eh?
But for MVP, that was what we're doing. You know what we're doing.
I'm still following, Sha.
If something goes wrong with your laptop, hey, it means that we are in serious soup.
It means that the company is in
Because
serious soup. Exactly.
yes, you need to have what is it called? You need to have access. Like one, it's like a single. It's not like a single point of failure, obviously, but at least one device has to have the keys. Because now the way it goes is that me now, which is the owner of the application, I can never see your environment variables because it has end to end encryption across all devices, all sessions, and everything. So that means
Hmm.
that if you lose your keys, I won't be able to help you reset those
Recover.
keys,
Are
except
you
you reset
sure?
the account.
Hmm.
If
Are you
that makes
sure that
sense.
I cannot hack
You can't.
into this?
You can't.
No,
Are you sure
you
that I
can't.
cannot?
You can't. There's the one way encryption.
So you're not
It's
sure
a
I
one
can?
way encryption.
You're sure I
It
can't
is
tap into?
it
No,
is
you can't.
I can't
impossible.
use. See now, handshake. I'm using the color again.
You can't.
Session hijacking and
Okay,
all
the only
that.
It's
time is
technically impossible.
the only time is actually possible is actually at the point of encryption, that first initial encryption. If you miss
Mhm.
that window, it's impossible.
So how do you add a new person to say you have a new teammate that also needs to get the ENV?
He sends an invite.
You send an invite,
Yes,
and that
basically your
invite is
I'll
what the person needs to
send you an
log in.
invite, you join and I approve you.
So
here's the
what
thing, the
if
invite
I'm
being
listening?
sent is
Mhm.
just for you to join the organization. For you to be able to see the encryptions, you need to be approved also. The device needs to be approved.
You need to think like an hacker right now. I'm trying to tell you that
Chat, chat, tell me what I don't know, bro. Oh, I get where you're coming from.
you don't, because even me, I don't know what I'm talking about, but I know that it's probably something that somebody can do later.
It's not possible.
Okay, since you don't want to
Technically, it's
listen,
impossible.
I'm making my mission.
You're,
No, you can't.
you
The way the
can't
application is architected,
be our guest.
You never hear about session hijacking or
Be our guest.
mirroring,
it is technically
Okay,
impossible.
man in the middle. You
okay.
will just be
For
like
you
There's
this.
this part you're talking about. Yeah,
Cricket.
the thing is, even if even if you gain access to this application or whatever, it's basically useless because you wouldn't be able to do anything really, if that makes sense.
What makes you think so? If I
Do you
already
understand
have
what I'm
your
trying
code,
to say? Eh?
what if I already have your code base?
What are you saying?
What if?
Just do what
What? Wait, nah.
Uh-uh.
this is.
What if
This man
It
just
doesn't
wants
really change
to.
anything. That what I'm saying.
it changes? It changes a lot. What if I'm bought from a for a fintech company, and then I save or share ENV through your platform, and then someone now hijacks another client's account? Eh? What if?
Think
But
positive.
anyways,
Think
it is
positive.
encryption is strong
Eh?
already. But you think positive.
Yeah.
Never. When it comes to products, always think about the worst case scenario. But then,
Yeah.
to be
Phoenix,
fair, the
Yeah.
encryption is solid already. So it's just me going overboard and shit. So
you see, my
very
encryption is so solid. I got locked out of my account. Can you see this?
voila. She Emeka was good.
My encryption is really my encryption is really so solid that I literally got locked out of my
Every
account.
reposted the stream. Thanks, man. More love.
Is everything is a must? I get you actually. What if is a must? But
You
still,
know.
why
The
once
only
once
way
the
this application can
product.
be hacked is if
Oh,
someone
you
has
know.
physical
The product is going to
if
be
someone has
beta
physical
tested.
access to your machine.
And
Phoenix, Shay, you can log into this app now. I invited you.
Yeah.
Oh, what's good, Reynolds? Oh, yeah, Phoenix, log in and show us.
Hold on, please. Hold on. Hold on.
Because I got locked out on my second device, which is crazy.
that is another what if.
I mean, no, now I got locked out. Like I have two laptops, right? So because it's fully end-to-end encrypted, I have to use the other laptop to approve this one. But I feel like the encryption now, the process of approving a new session doesn't really work well because they are still using the same user account. So there might be a bug in terms of how my keys are being shared and all that.
Since it's like same user section, it's same user on both
For
ends.
different machines.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but different
Yeah.
sessions. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wait. You just need to add multi-session to the
Another
encryption.
what if?
If you get locked out and lose your keys, you reset your organization. The organization will have to get reset entirely.
Then all the keys are gone. What's the
Yeah, all your
law?
secrets are gone basically because
Yeah.
I can't. Yeah, because let me give you a simple example now. Let's say a like Open AI, for instance, is making use of this platform, right? And they store their API keys of like no limits to use all their AI models and stuff like that. If there's no end-to-end encryption, I, the developer, I can go and check those secrets, right, and steal their API keys. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense. I get that.
Yes,
So
so I
let
have
me
to
check that
ensure
for
that I have to ensure that I'm completely locked out, so that I, the developer, now I can say that no matter what happens, I'll never be able to gain access to view your secrets.
so basically, yeah, here is
Share your screen,
about it.
Phoenix.
Yeah, I'm sharing it.
We're about to. We were supposed to end this few hours back. Now you
Yeah,
people have already started with what if.
we just have 6 minutes. Let's complete that 6 minutes. So
Like that.
my device is approved, it's an approved device. So the issue we were having before was same account section on different devices. That was
Devices.
we were having
Or same device, same account,
same
different
accounts on different
device.
devices, basically multi
Alright.
sessions for a particular
Yeah.
account. So that's going to be the works. How this works, I'm an approved device. I'm an approved device at the moment. If I try to log in on a machine that's not recognized, I am not able to get the secret. Also, you have access to different environments. You can choose to sync from any of the environments you want and while it's doing process.
Also, there's going to be um a terminal CLI
Deployment hooks.
also, and deployment hook for you to get this also from your terminal without you having to come to the web to actually
The dashboard.
access. Yes. What you just need to do is just approve your terminal, just like how normal CLI works, how um the normal CLI and others work.
Okay.
Yeah. So currently it's in beta testing, so you're welcome to help us break it.
Exactly, because now I broke it. I really, really broke it. Because imagine locking myself out.
Yeah. So thank you for having us,
One more
and
thing,
thank
one more
you.
thing. So
How do we
for
access?
Bcrypt here, my biggest selling point is that if you change your secrets in Bcrypt, it can automatically trigger a deployment in like your hosting provider like Vessel, AWS, Railway, and the rest of them.
That's
So it's
interesting.
not just sharing or syncing the secrets across everybody, it's also syncing it across your cloud-based environments as well.
Yeah. What do you what happens to the local keys? Okay, now you have to manage
You have to
everything
manage
yourself.
only your yourself. It's just like running Git code, you put the
So
EMV.
yeah. So how do we access Blueprint? Is it ready for users or for testers to do for now?
It's in
Like,
private, it's in private beta testing for now. But if you go to our landing page at bcrypt.com, you can join the wait list.
can you share that in the comments so that we can ping it and then people can see
Help
it?
me type big give me a minute.
Is it B or B?
Big
Great.
big.
And
Alright.
shit.
So you want to share that here?
Yeah, I'll share that with you now.
So join the wait list. Um, I hope there's benefit for people that are joining early and are going to be like better testers and all of that. Because
Yeah, 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 sure, sure thing.
that's the reason I'm looking for girl. So I can manage to grant I go to that test access.
I just did.
I have
And
you send out to private guy.
I didn't join
Yeah.
I don't join
I want to
main
do that
chat.
now.
Yeah, I just sent it to chat. I just sent it to Twitch, sent it to X and oh it didn't send to X. Oh our responses don't send to X from here. I just realized that.
Why?
Alright, so you guys check out bcrypt.com, join waitlist so that you can get early access and be part of those
Early
things. So,
access.
yeah. Um, and then feedbacks are welcome, of course, right?
Yeah, sure,
Yeah.
sure, sure.
Yeah, because no one is an island. No one knows it all. Um, in case you manage to, you have like one matters what if scenario and you test it out and it works. You can share it and then just pass that on. So thanks guys so much for joining us in this session today. Um, 30 minutes session called one almost 2 hours. Interesting. So yeah, we're going to be doing this. We do this almost every day. Wait, that's a lie, right?
You did every day for
That's a lie. So we do this. This is day 9 of us trying to build um,
the next $1 million.
idea. So the product is quite in case you don't know about it. Oh shit! I just said quite
Hack I
I It is going to be shared with you guys very soon. We're still we still have a couple of things to push to Dev so that you guys can actually test it out and all that. With this page, I don't know what happened to that, but yeah,
which
guys-
page is still live.
yeah, you guys being part of the. Can you check into that with this page? Because I feel like with this page is probably I thought it was same URL you sent for
No,
the internet waitlist. It was quite higher.
yeah, quite higher.
Oh
and this
yeah, I
one.
see. We can just probably still use that. So if anybody wants to join waitlist for that too, you can join waitlist for that. Guess what? Benefit of joining waitlist for that product is the fact that when we start doing ads to get recruiters, to get um, founders and whatnot to come create on the platform, the first couple of jobs that I created on the platform is not known by a lot of people yet. That's like one trick to how a lot of people got gigs on Contra or Peerless, while others were still pumping on Upwork, Fiverr, and Co. Because there are not so many talents on. There won't be so many talents on the platform early. So just tap into that. I don't need to preach to you. So don't sell my sleep. I'm trying to sell by force. I'm not trying to sell anything.
We have a few folks on the wait list, by the way.
Yeah. So if you like join, if you like don't join. I'm putting my looking for work too. So wait, we can apply for the jobs that I feel let me if I can join with this and then get the benefits. Anyways,
Thanks for
I was
joining.
yeah, I was 2 seconds away from saying thanks to our sponsor and our host for today at Bcrypt. Send money.
Hi, Bcrypt.
Send money and then we'll see you guys properly next time. Talk about Bcrypt completely. And if you want to actually talk about your product, by the way, I'm just kidding though. It's not that's send money. Because we don't really have much of intent, obviously. So this is your time to come and tap in, lock in. If you want to talk about your product, we can get you on stage with us next week or whatever it is, and then see how we can get you to talk about your product during the whole session and all of that. So we're going to try as much as possible to minimize time. Try that 30 minutes. Me and you there's a light bulb. We'll try. But for now, thank you so much guys for joining us on this. Phoenix, parting words and then
Stay happy. Hold on. I have to play that. Just give me a second. Let me look it up.
while you're trying to find that prudence, any last words before we wrap up.
No, not last words. No, in parting
No,
words.
no, no.
No thanks.
Parting word is parting word is join the waitlist for Hack Hire. Join the waitlist for Big Crypt. We'll be coming to your screens very soon. And we're going to be cooking a whole lot of other products.
Stay happy.
So stay tuned.
Alright.
Stay blessed, stay humble, stay happy. Enjoy the pain and the joys of life. Just
More
more
love.
love, less
Let's
ego.
go. Peace out, guys.
All these whiskey or kidneys fun.
What are you saying? What are you
Don't
saying?
go for me. I'm just saying.
Don't start the conversation.
Anyways, wait.
Don't
See you guys
start
in the
the
next one.
conversation. You
We'll
cannot
move this
end.
We'll move it to next time. Alright, I'll see you guys.
Stay
Yes.
blessed, stay humble, stay happy. Enjoy the pain and the joys of life. Just
Alright, now. See that.